Is this a rivet setter?
Another innovative tool from DeWalt that has generated a lot of buzz in their recent release was the 20-volt Max Knockout Toolkit. At Ohio Power Tools open house event, the Knockout tool proved to be a great choice for electricians, HVAC technicians, and construction pros. This cordless tool packs a powerful punch, cutting cleanly through studs, joints, and more. Its compact size and long-lasting battery makes it the ideal solution for job sites and tight spaces. On to the demo.
All right, so this is our 10-ton knockout tool. Some of the really cool inline knockout tools. So the coolest features about it are it's got that rotating head, 360 degrees, and it has that LED light on the front, as well as the on button. You have Tool Connect already in here, so you can track this thing, and you can hook it up to your computer to see the accuracy of your knockouts. So all you do is you hit the on button here. Once it turns green, you know it's on. So it comes in our touch system case with the whole set of dies. Right now we have 1/2 inch to 2 inch. We'll have 4 inch by the end of the year and up to 6 inch by the middle of next year. So one of the coolest features of this is that our dies are actually magnetic. So we'll use this for example, but if you're working on a box, on a job site or whatever, you can actually set this, you can line it up with your line, you can set this, and then all you come is you come in with your draw stud, and you thread the stud through and thread the die on. So the really cool part is, if you think about it, if you're working on a box, this can be hands-free. This will be sitting up on the box, and you can come in with your knockout and just punch it out. So I'll rotate the head to get to the angle I need. All you do is flip this safety thing over and then pull the trigger.
What is this? Is this a rivet setter?
Yeah.
Oh, interesting.
And you can see that's a super clean hole with no burrs or anything.
Now available on our website for $15.99.
If you have any other questions, leave us a comment or give us a call or send us an email or write us a letter. Whatever you prefer, just get a hold of us and we'll help you out. If you're looking for even more content from us, subscribe to our channel or check out one of these videos here. Thank you for watching. Now get back to work.
Run it up, video.